Probably. Because
Yeah.
if you fall, you're gonna get stuck.
Oh god, yeah. Bad idea.
Right, go ahead and try it.
Oh god. This is a terrible idea.
Famous last words.
He like doesn't understand. He's like, I can't. I don't know what you're doing. Oh god. I'm like, I want to hold on because I can't touch it. He doesn't get it. He's like, I don't. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. It's hard. This is hard. Okay. One more shot.
Would you like a whip?
Oh god. Oh god. It's pretty hard. I think if I was actually in a side saddle.
You should try cantering now.
No.
Yep.
Can you imagine? Oh gosh.